Well, the good news for parts of New Mexico is the fact that a cooling shower or thunder shower is trying to form. The bad news for other parts of New Mexico, which is our part of the state, is those showers and thunderstorms aren't expected around here. We are on the dry side, and boy, is it ever hot out there. And if you can imagine this, it could get even hotter heading on into tomorrow. Here's the story. There's still some remaining moist air out to the west of us. You may recall yesterday that a little bit of a monsoon push kind of drove a little moisture into the western reaches of the state. That has been the target area for a few showers and storms today. But around here, we've missed out on that. It's been nothing but heat, and it'll continue to be fairly warm overnight. Mild to warm overnight and dry and hot again for tomorrow. Placement of thunderstorms tomorrow, well, they're going to be even less numerous around the state than they have been today. That means way up here in the northern mountains there may be just a couple of showers, but drop on down here into the southeastern plains, and we are going to be left out of the mix once again. 72 degrees, that's it. Not much cooling overnight tonight, mostly clear. That is definitely qualifying as a warm night, and this qualifies as a wee bit of a warm afternoon. Would you agree with me? I know, very hot out there. 101 degrees under mostly sunny skies, but nothing new to us. Take a look at the current temperature. 101 degrees in Roswell as we speak. 101 in Carlsbad, 100 in Hobbs. Look at that. Tucumcary's at 104. Now, there is a little line of thunderstorms just north of Tucumcary right now. That could get in there and kind of cool those folks off just a little bit. But by and large, summertime heat has taken over. Now, this is interesting to note. Look at the dew points. They've cradled down into the 30s. That means it's not excessively humid out there. Believe it or not, you know the heat index, that little thing we look at that tells us the combination of heat and humidity. When it gets humid, it can actually make you feel a lot hotter than it really is. Well, the flip side of that, when the air dries out, believe it or not, a little bit of a breeze comes through, you evaporate moisture from your skin, it can feel cooler. So because of the drier air out there, the temperature is low 100s, but it feels like upper 90s. Not that that's a huge difference, but at least it gives you something to smile about on this hot Friday afternoon. Something else to smile about. The weekend is here. Right now, winds are blowing out there, but it's just kind of mixing up the hot air. And you can see not much in the way of cloud cover over us. We're continuing to be looking at mostly sunny skies, a trend that's going to continue. See how it looks like the clouds are kind of working around the edge of something here? Well, that something is a ridge of high pressure. It's on the outer edge of that where the moist flow is taking place, but underneath that ridge of high pressure is where the dry air is, and that's exactly where we're at this present time, and that's where we're going to be for the next couple of days. And, of course, dry air heats up, so get used to these triple digits. Looks like they're going to be around throughout the balance of the weekend. We may knock the temperature down a degree or two heading into next week, but the bottom line is a week of warm temperatures lie ahead. How warm is it going to be? Well, tomorrow it'll be every bit as hot as it was out there today, and no chance of a cooling shower just yet. Temperatures triple digits across the board, and it looks like we're going to stay that way, give or take a degree or two, right on through the middle part of the upcoming week. Now, towards the end of next week, there is the possibility that a little moisture intrusion will come in from the east. When that happens, the possibility of some afternoon thunderstorms will return. In the meantime, a hot and dry week.